This was a new route that I downloaded into the Garmin. No sooner than I had the GoPro on, I spotted a side trail. Wonder where it goes. Let's see. The KTM easily switched from the packed dirt road to the grassy lane before me. With each passing moment, the stresses of daily life melted away, replaced by an exhilarating sense of adventure and possibility. When traveling down lanes like this, it brings back my childhood memories of riding my little Yamaha everywhere. That little 100cc ETV got me through thick and thin more than once. I would ride from sun up to sundown every weekend. I was just getting settled in on the grass, and around the bend was a bog. I was not prepared to cross today. Last thing I needed was to be stranded way out solo. Got her turned around and headed back out to the road. Hope you like this little ride. Stay tuned in for more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.